Along with this, it is also important for us to understand that consideration may be positive or it may be negative. It can be both ways. Now, positive consideration is when you get something in return. You get something in return. You get some benefit from the contract, or you get some gains or profits. You gain something from the contract or you get profits. So this is when the consideration is positive. However, this might not always be the case. You may not always get something. Like when you sell a shirt, you get 1000 rupees, so you are getting something. When you sell a car, you get 10 lakh rupees, again you are getting something. When you give 10 lakh rupees, you may also get a house, again you are getting something. So there is something which is coming in. And when there is something which is coming in, there are some returns, there are some benefits, there are some gains, there are some profits. You can say that the consideration is positive. Now take a case of a television actor. You see many TV serials of Ekta Kapoor. Now she has various contracts with her actors. Let's say she is doing a serial with an actor. He's the lead actor and he's getting 10,000 rupees as his per day fee as per the contract. Now this lead actor also backs the serial of some rival producer. Now what Ekta Kapoor does is, she contracts with the actor. She tells him that if you do not do his serial, I'll give you 10,000 more per day. So now what is she doing? She is paying him 10,000 more per day to stop him from acting in her rival serial. Now in the first contract where he is getting only 10,000 per day, we can say that the consideration for both of them is positive. Ekta Kapoor is getting the acting done, is getting the services of the actor. At the same time, the actor is getting compensation, is getting money for his acting or services that he is giving. So there is positive consideration for both of them. Both are getting something. In the second contract, you can see that the actor is getting something. He is again getting money. But he is not giving anything to Ekta Kapoor. However, even though nothing is going from the actor's side to Ekta Kapoor, the actor is stopping himself from doing something. He is abstaining from doing something. And this abstinence leads to a loss or detriment. Detriment means a loss which goes against you. Something which goes against you can be called as a detriment. So now the actor has a detriment, has a loss. Since he is not acting in one more serial, he has some loss. He bears some loss, and this loss is considered to be a good enough consideration for Ekta Kapoor. Law will say, since he is bearing the loss, even though Ekta Kapoor is not getting anything, but the actor is bearing the loss, that is good enough a consideration for Ekta Kapoor. So for Ekta Kapoor, this is not a positive consideration. She is not getting anything. This is a negative consideration because the actor is bearing loss or detriment because of this contract. So consideration can at times be positive, at other times it may be negative. Normally we see contracts where consideration is positive.